Hello students, today we will start chapter number 13, three-dimensional objects in nets. In this we will learn how to see an object from different angles. See this box, object, elephant. If you will see elephant from front view, this part of animal you can see. From the side view, this part of the elephant you see, and from the above view, this part of the elephant you can see. The next picture is covered. From front view, this is the view. From the side view, this is the view, and from the above, this will be the view. Problem set number 51. The first column shows a structure made of blocks. The other column shows different views of the structure in 2 dimensions. Say whether each view is from the front, from a side, or from above. In this question, this block information is given. This is a block, and these are the view of formation. Now you can tell from which view you can see this picture. It's from front view, from side view, or from above. So as we can see, this is from front view, this is from side view, and this is from above. So you need to draw this box, draw the figures, and write which view you can see of the object. Second picture, this is the block. Now this is the above view, this is the side view, and this is the front view. This box, this is the side view, this is the front view, and this is the above view. You will draw this box and write which view you can see, and you will write in the box. Question number 2. Draw 3 pictures of each of these 3-dimensional objects: a table, a chair, and a water bottle as viewed from the front, from a side, and from above. In this question, you need to draw the box like this only. Draw the box. Write here front view, side view, and above view. Draw 3 pictures, that is a table, a chair, and a water bottle. Draw here a table, a chair, a water bottle, and write front view, side view, or above view. You will draw the table from front view, you will draw the table from side view, and you will draw the table from above view. Complete this exercise in your maths notebook.